furnace tongue. Hands kept time with daylight, and fields knew when they sung. A wheel began turning where the river used to lead. A loom learned repetition faster than the hand could plead. Cotton crossed the ocean, coal came black from earth. Iron found its hunger and measured human worth. The cottage lost its center, the mill began to rise. Brick by brick the working day was built beneath the skies. Then the bell called early, then the gate shut tight. Then the hour had owners, then the shift stayed light. Not by season, not by rain, but by clock face, gear and chain. The clock ate the sun, and the machines began to sing. Steam in the morning, iron in the spring. The city grew lungs, made of smoke and flame. And the world ran faster, but not every heart the same. Turn the wheel, feed the fire, count the hours, lift them higher. Engines pulled the distance, railways stitched the land. Markets move like weather through the factory hand. Canoes carried hunger, ships returned with thread. Warehouses swallowed daylight where the old roads led. A worker sold the morning for a wage and a place, while capital learned arithmetic with soot upon its face. Children under rafters, small hands in the roar. Modern wealth was knocking on a very human door. Every spindle turning, every furnace bright, made a kingdom of production and a dead tonight. New towns rose in cinders, new fortunes took their seats, while the poor learned discipline from machines that never sleep. The clock ate the sun, and the machines began to sing. Steam in the morning, iron in the spring. The city grew lungs, made of smoke and flame. And the world ran faster, but not every heart the same. Listen past the engine, hear the coughing room, hear the river blacken under industrial noon. Progress wore a crown made of bolts and bread. One hand built the future, one hand buried the dead. But once the wheel had tasted speed inside the grain, no century after could be slow again. The clock ate the sun, and the machines began to sun, and the machines